Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 10 hanggang June 16 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, na spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio ang ating mahagilap. So, guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksikliglig na guumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit. So let's watch this. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information paano kayo gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga baraha. Oh my God! The Death card represents a Scorpio card for a transformation, no? This is the ending and a new beginning. This is the Death card represent a transformation. Oh my goodness! May magbibigay ng katapusan at bagong simula. The Ace of Wands is something a new beginning. Creative power, something creativity or new ideas, new plans, and because there's a success, no, coming in for you. Additional messages. And because there's the Three of Pentacles, connections, collaborations, teamwork, or something, kumbaga, transactions, no? Marami ditong, kumbaga, pakikipag-ugnayan, cooperate, no, with your client, customers, no? And there's the King of Cups for devoted sa 40 person na may taong mahal na mahal ka, no? At may taong sumusuporta sa iyo. Additional messages. So, because there's a Three of Wands for waiting for a soul to waiting for a ship. May mga bagay na parang yung hinihintay mo ay maaaring makuha mo na, no? So there's a waiting for soul, waiting for a ship, for travel, guys. And there's the Seven of Cups for lot of opportunity coming for you. Maraming oportunidad na papasok dito. What is the Death card represent what? The Seven of Wands, no? You are being protected, no? Protektado ka at sinasabi tinapos na, no? Yung mga yugto ng mga kahirapan, yung mga yugto ng mga sakit sa nakaraan, yung mga bagay na parang nagbigay sa'yo ng worries, fear, no? And judgment. Let's see what is the Ace of Wands. Represent the Knight of Cups with the Fish of Women. So, may mga bagay na unti-unti mo na matutupad, no? This is a new beginning na sinasabi dito. The Three of Pentacles represent what? The Five of Swords, no? Mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-collaborate, pakikipag-usap, na pakikipag-transactions, no? Mag-ingat ka. There's something self-sabotage. Baka masabotahe ka dito. No? I think, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, na pakikipag-usap dyan. Parang, minaano nila na masabotahe yung plano mo, yung mga gusto mong gawin. There's a Six of Swords with the transition na makakalis ka na sa situation. And there's a back and forth na maaring, itong person mamaaring puntahan ka. Na maaring, kumbaga, nag-iisip na siyang lapitan ka, kausapin ka if you are separation, guys, ha. Additional messages with the Three of Wands. So, there's the Four of Cups. So, there's a evaluate or analyze na may mga bagay na matatamo mo na. Basta pag-isipan mo mabuti yung mga bagay bago ka mag-take ng action. The Seven of Cups represent what? The Eight of Swords. See, there's a lot of confusion. There's a lot of opportunities. Basta, sinasabi dito na papalibutan ka ng toxicities. No? Mag-ingat ka sa mga toxic friend, toxic environment, toxic relatives, and toxic family. No? There's a something confusion na maaaring guluhin ka niya. Additional messages with the Death card and the Seven of Wands. So, there's a Two of Cups with the partnership. No, you are being protected ng iyong person. This is the transformation. No, babaguhin ang inyong eksena ng iyong person. Magkakaroon kayo ng, it's either if jowa, no, karelasyon, this is the higher level commitment. So, let's see what is the Ace of Wands because the Knight of Cups. Represent the World card. Wow, there's a travel, guys. So, there's a lot of travel, success, achievement, no, recognitions. Additional messages with the Three of Wands, and of course, the Three of Pentacles, and of course, the Five of Swords. At sinasabi dito, guys, may travel ka, no? Kumbaga, if ay mga may ibang bansa ka, maaaring magtagumpay at makaalis ka nga, or something, makakaalis ka. Now, there's a trouble. There's the Ten of Pentacles with long-term success and long-term investment. So, may pangmatagalan dito to be the financial security. Okay. Okay, what is the King of Cups? Because that Six of Swords. What is that? So, there's a page of, there's an intuition, no? Pupasok ka na sa isip niya, my God, ang ganda ng energy, guys. Kumbaga, may effect na yung kumbaga, insider, to ha? Kung, kumbaga, nagkaroon ng gayuma or something, na kumbaga, nagkalayo, no? Pupasok ka na sa isip niya. Taray. No, so there's an intuition or inner voice here. There's a Three of Wands because the Four of Cups represent the King of Wands by visions, no? Kumbaga, this is the bigger picture. Na unti-unti mo nang makikita yung mga bagay o posibilidad. Kailangan mo lang pag-isipan yung mga bagay bago ka mag-take ng action. This is the waiting for a soul, waiting for a ship. May mga bagay na kumbaga, makukuha mo na, no? Let's see what is the Seven of Cups because the Eight of Swords. Oh, there's a magician. Okay, there's a manifestation and there's a manipulator. Mag-ingat ka ha, may nagmamanipula dito. There's a something confusion. Na maaaring there's a brainwash. Na maaaring brainwashan ka o brainwashan yung person mo, mag-ingat ka. For the outcome is the Knight of Pentacles for security, no? There's a secure pagdating sa finances. And of course, there's an Ace of Cups for a new love and new offer. Na pagdating sa love, there's a something existing, no? Kumbaga, maaring kung it's either soulmate kayo, kung talagang kayo na talaga na person mo, there's something ibabalik yung tamis at kilig yung dalawa. Additional messages about sa career. There's a temperance. So, this is the perfect timing. So, there's a healing, no? Pagdating sa finances, no? Maaring kumaga makaka-recover ka na. And this is the perfect timing para magnegosyo ka, no? And because there is a Seven of Swords, mag-ingat ka, there's a sneakiness, no? Maraming sinungaling, maraming manluloko sa paligid mo. Kung magbi-business ka, walang kapatid, walang kamag-anak dyan, walang kaibigan dyan. So, pagdating dyan, huwag ka magpautang, no? Kumaga, lilinlangin ka nila. There's a scam. Additional messages about sa love life. So, there's the Four of Wands. Wow, there's a higher level commitment, celebration, wedding. Wow. And because there's the Seven of Pentacles with the harvest time. Yung mga bagay na hinintay mo pagdating sa partnership, marami kang pinagdaanan, nasaktan, nabigo, ginosting, iniwan, no? Inabando na. So, maaaring may anak ka sa iba, may anak ka sa labas, so eventually may tao kang karelasyon ngayon. So, baka ito na nga yun, no? Maaaring magkasal ka na, magkaroon ka na ng higher level commitment, ganon. Additional messages about sa health. So, there's the Six of Cups with the remnants or something, a past eksena with the Strength card. Kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo, no? Maging matapang dito. Something na nangyari sa'yo from the past about sa health issues mo or something na stress sa'yo, maaring lakasan mo loob mo, no? I think stress with the Six of Cups. And because there's a Page of Swords, get more information, no? Kailangan alamin mo. Para hindi ka ma-stress, kailangan bago pa mangyari, kumbaga, maiwasan mo na. No? Additional messages about naman to sa magical fairy messages. Let's see. For magical fairy messages, represent what? Affirmation. So, may mga bagay na the more na nag-a-attract ka ng good energy or positive energy is magkakaroon ng outcome for a positive outcome, no? Kumbaga magiging maganda ang kalalabasan. You deserve is really rich, no? Yung inakangad mo, yung inaasa mo ay maaaring makuha mo na. No? Have faith as of everything is working out of in your favor. So see? Talagang papabor na sa yung sitwasyon. Kapit lang. So let's see what is the synchronicities. For synchronicities, represent communication. So, kailangan mo makipag-communicate ng maayos, ha? And there's a retreat, no? Parang sinasabi, take back control in your life, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo rin mag-unwind. And there's a magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na manifest. And at the same time, there's a something speed, no? Bibilis ng takbo ng eksena for you. Pabilis ng pabilis, no? Hanggang sa ikay mangalay. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Oh, karma and justice will be served. Wow, there's a balance. So, magiging balance at maaring, kumbaga there's a good karma or bad karma. Depende sa ginawa mo. Harvest time is here. And there's a guilt and sabotage. See, I told you, mag-ingat kami sa butahe, ha? May taong may galit sa'yo. Gusto kang sabotahin. And there's an ego and vanity and pride. So see, there's a something drama. Mayroon dito magdadrama, mayroon dito mag-emote, mayroon mga tao dito parang kumbaga lililangin ka sa emotions. Mag-ingat ka. There's a something guilt and sabotage. Galit to, sasabotahin ka niya para masira yung plano mo. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Archangel Michael, decide to be happy now. So, kailangan mo magdesisyon, magiging masaya ka ngayon. And there's a self-respect. No? Kailangan mo respetuhin yung sarili mo, mahalin yung sarili mo. Alagaan ang sarili mo, and take time to make a decision. Kailangan mo ng oras para pag-isipan yung mga bagay-bagay bago ka mag-take ng action. So, let's see what is chakra messages. For the chakra, so there's your creations, no? Ikaw yung gagawa ng isang eksena, ikaw yung gagawa ng ikabubuti at ikasasama mo. You are become a destroyer and of course creator. So let's see what is additional chakra, so discovery. Marami ka pang madidiscover dito, marami ka pang matutuklasan, marami ka pang malalaman, marami ka pang magbibigay ng kaunawaan. Additional messages for romance angels. For romance angels represent what? True love. Wow, this is a true love can exist tayo for a lifetime to, ha? Pang matagalan to and 3 years of. No, kailangan mong take time, take back controlling your life. Nabalik mo yung, kumbaga, ikaw yung magkocontrol sa eksena mo, na mahalin mo yung sarili mo, alagaan mo yung sarili mo, ganon. Kumbaga, kailangan mong, kumbaga, tumutok ngayon sa sarili mo. Let's see what is the energy. The more na minamahal mo yung sarili mo, mamahalin ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. And there's a door to the spirit. Bukas ang pintuan about sa spiritual. And there's a financial constraint. So, ibig sabihin ko, nakakaranas ka ng pagtumal, maari ng bumilis na ang takbo, no? Maaring, kumbaga, maging mabili na. And there's something na parang makaranas ka rin na marami na papasok na finances. And there's a third chakra, kang health Samuel. Mag-ingat ka. There's something, heartburn or something sa sikmura. Mag-ingat ka pagdating sa health. Monsology represent what? Nothing will come in this situation. Walang mangyayari sa situation kung hindi ka magti-take ng action. And expect the powerful change, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na magaganap sa buhay mo, mag-expect ka na, kumbaga mababago to in a good way. And it's time to release negativity. Kailangan mo pakawalan yung mga nagbibigay negatibo. No? Yung mga nakakahatak na negative or toxic, no? Pakawalan mo yan. Angel's answer represent what? Recovery, I told you. Makaka-recover ka na. And there's an unlikely. May mga bagay na hindi mo magugustuhan dito. And this is the abundance, no? Magdadaling ka sa kasaganahan. And there's a taking action. So, kailangan mo kumilos. Siyempre, kung gusto mong maging maayos ang buhay mo, kumilos ka. Hindi naman pwedeng umasa ka sa swerte. So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit. So, there's a fairies for boundaries and environment. So, may mga bagay dito na, kumbaga, there's a something na para pagandahin mo yung or kailangan linisin mo na sa paligid mo, no? Kumbaga, huwag kang makisalamuha sa mga taong negative or toxic. And there is a something release. See, I told you, transition, release. Kailangan mo alisin, baguhin, no? And of course, there's a teacher and guardian. Matuto ka na. May aral lang ipinabigay sa'yo ng ating mga gabay na hindi lahat ng mga taong kilala mo ay lubos mong kilala. No, may mga tao dyan ang ligawang bituka. Ganon. Additional messages. And there's a gratitude, guys. Be thankful sa lahat ng mga dumarating sa buhay mo. It's an opportunity to learn and of course appreciate, no? And of course, there's an empathy. So, may mga bagay dito na dapat tinitignan mo both side of situation. No, hindi ka dapat one-sided lang. So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit. Tingnan mo yung possibilities, yung consequences, ganon. Additional messages for angel spirit guides. Okay, additional messages. Let's see. There is a builder, napapalakasin ka talaga. Parang ini-enhance ka. Yung lahat ng mga pinagdaan mo, yung pain na yan, magiging power yan. And strength, no? And there is a teaching. So, marami kang bagay na dapat matutunan at marami kang bagay ituro, no? Sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. May inspire ka. And of course, may inspire din sila sa pinagdaanan mo. Ang galing. So, let's see what is additional messages. With the haters, represent a birth as a portal. There's a deep love, no? Napakalalim ng pagmamahal na to. It's like an unconditional love. Oh, there's a deep soul connection. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Jesus Divine Healer. Talagang may something recovery and healing dito, guys, ha? A transformation. Ang galing. Kumbaga sa lahat ng aspeto to. No? Kumbaga may healing, a transformation, and recovery. No? Ang galing. Talagang something na parang makakapag-proceed ka for another eksena. And of course, marami ka rin madidiscover. No? Ang ganda. And there's a karma. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Parang sinasabi sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo sa nakaraan, may bukas na naghihintay sa'yo na maganda ang, di ba, maganda ang kakaharapin mong kinabukasan. Parang ganon. So, sinasabi dito na Jesus loving quotes, oh my God, take their not thought for the morrow shall take thought for the things itself. So, see, kumbaga, wag mong pangunahan yung mangyayari sa kinabukasan. No? Hayaan mo ang kumbaga, sampalin ka ng katotohanan o sampalin ka ng kinabukasan. Kumbaga, hayaan mong mangyari siya ayon sa Panginoon, no? Hayaan mo siyang mangyari ayon sa ipagkakaloob sa iyo, no? Hindi sa pilit, hindi sa minamadali, no? Talaga ipinagkaloob sa iyo in nature, no? Talagang dapat mangyari or karapat dapat mangyari, may mga gano'n. For angels number represent what? 4444 protections. You are being protected. Or something, kailangan mo ng protection dito. And there's a justice. No? Talagang hustisya eh. Get ready for the good things you've been hoping for. You were born for a higher calling. Put your energy into going towards an ambitions. And the universe will align itself to provide you with the right people, circumstances, and resources to make things happen. So, see? Kumbaga, ipa-provide ng ating Panginoon yung mga tao, sitwasyon man yan, o tao, yung mga bagay or tao sa paligid mo. No? May mga taong iaalis, may mga taong darating, may mga taong tama, no? Na para pang matagalan for you. So, ganun siya, parang ine-enhance ka, or something, kumbaga, nililinis ka, no? Para maging maayos ang takbo ng buhay mo. Kaya wag ka magtataka bakit ang daming struggles, ang daming kumbaga challenges sa iyo. Okay? Kumbaga sinasabi dito pinapalakas ka, you are being soldier, no? Gagawin ka soldier dito. Papalakasin, papatibayin para nang sa ganun yung pain na lahat na naranasan mo ay magsisilbing strength and power. So let's see what is the messages of life. Return to the inner temple. So, sinasabi dito, today, I rediscover my inner self in sacred silence. This is the inner temple in which I am able to calmly study the lessons life has provided me here. I regain my sense of tranquility. I retrieve my trust in the universe. But in the light of my inner temple, I now remember the value of each and every step of my life. So, see? Kumbaga, natutunan mo na hindi dapat minamadali at hindi dapat inaagad-agad ang mga bagay-bagay. Hinahayaan mo siyang mangyari nawa ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, no? The more na pinipilit mong makuha, hindi mo siya makukuha. The more na greedy ka doon sa situation, hindi yan ibibigay. So, hayaan mo siyang ipagkaloob sa'yo ng ating Panginoon na naaayon sa panahon at pagkakataon. So, guys, this is weekly gabay for the month of June 10 hanggang June 16 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagaper. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!